Hello everyone, have you ever experienced this? Forgetting what you were about to do just moments ago, missing an important appointment, or studying for exams only to find it doesn't stick in your mind. Our brains process countless pieces of information daily. So why do we forget the things we need to remember? The 5 habits I'm sharing today are all backed by neuroscience research. Stick with them consistently, and your memory will surely improve. And the 5th method I'll reveal at the end, developed by a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, has been proven effective in numerous studies. Please watch until the end. First up, 15 minutes of review before bed. It's a well-established fact in brain science that reviewing before sleep boosts memory. As we sleep, our brains undergo a critical process called memory consolidation. Information learned during the day moves from the hippocampus to the neocortex, solidifying into long-term memory. Content reviewed just before sleep gets prioritized in this process because the brain tags it as important, storing it more robustly. It's simple to do. Lie in bed and gently recall your day events, lessons, or key info. Don't force memorization, think of it like replaying a movie, letting your mind organize naturally. Second, proper hydration. Though our brain is just 2% of body weight, it consumes 20% of our energy, with 75% of it being water. Even 2% dehydration can sharply drop focus and memory. Adequate water intake smooths brain blood flow and oxygen delivery, enhancing memory and concentration. Drinking enough before learning or critical tasks activates brain function for better outcomes. Here's how: start with a glass of water after waking, another before studying or working, and sip every 2 hours. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Stay ahead with regular sips. Third, the science of walking. Regular walking activates brain function and significantly boosts memory and focus. When you walk, your brain releases BDNF, a neurotrophic factor that strengthens connections between brain cells. What's fascinating? Content learned while walking sticks longer than when sitting, as physical activity stimulates multiple brain regions, creating stronger memory traces. Even Aristotle taught philosophy while walking with his students, and Charles Darwin developed evolution ideas during daily strolls. Try this walk 20-30 minutes daily without your phone naturally. If you're tackling complex problems or memorizing, think while walking. Your activated brain will retain it better. Fourth, the neuroscience of handwriting. Handwriting activates more brain areas than typing, enhancing memory and understanding. Writing by hand connects the motor cortex, language areas, and the hippocampus memory hub, forming a powerful neural network. A joint Princeton and UCLA study found students who handwrote notes outperformed typers in comprehension and recall. When writing, the brain's reticular activating system (RAS) kicks in, filtering and storing key info as long-term memory. From today, jot down important notes by hand, swap phone memos for paper, and use a pen over a keyboard for learning. Finally, the most powerful method. This is the Feynman technique, developed by Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman, teaching others. Explaining to someone isn't just review. Your brain does incredible work, retrieving info, restructuring it logically, and adapting it to the listener's level. This engages nearly all brain areas, locking memories in place. Studies show the teaching group retains long-term memory far better than the repetition group. Here's how: explain what you've learned to family, friends, or even your pet. Imagine the listener is a child and simplify it. If you stumble, that's your weak spot. Relearn and explain again. These 5 methods: pre-sleep review, hydration, walking, handwriting, and teaching are all science-backed. Start with the easiest one for you. Share in the comments which method you'll try and update us on the results. If this video helped, please hit subscribe and like and share it with anyone struggling with memory. Here's to better brain health for you all.